Hello everyone, Kevin here. This is K Jorgensen TV. If you don't know me, I make off-roading and overlanding videos. In this video, we are doing a product review by Shine Armor. This one is called Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray. So you can follow me on social media. You know I'm always out adventuring with my friends. 9 out of 10 times you always see me out in the mountains, doing some trails, and this Jeep is very dirty. Sometimes I clean my Jeep to get it dirty the very next day. I know it doesn't make any sense, but I love doing this hobby. So I'm very super excited when this product reached out to me because I've been looking for a similar product like this. This product should help me protect my paint when we're doing those long drives against those bug splat. When we're hitting rocky trails, help protect it from those rock chips flying around. And also, in addition, like to say, when we go through those forests, a lot of times there's like branches sticking out. It helps like protect my paint against those pinstripes. This is what we received from Shine Armor. We sent it through this box over here. Of course, the product itself. They also gave us a spray, like a small spray over here. And they sent us 2 microfiber towels. Here right now, I can see a lot of those saps. Get rid of them. I'm just gonna dry up the Jeep and we'll apply the product. Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning up the Jeep. It's now clean inside and out. We are ready to put this product on. One more thing is I put a tape in the middle so we have comparison later with and without the product. So I'm gonna apply the ceramic spray on this side, and that side I'll not apply, and we'll do a comparison later on in the video. So before we start, what you need is of course the product itself and 2 microfiber towels. Alright, and just a quick tip on this spray, they have like an on and off switch over here, so just make sure to press it on and don't try to force it on the off because you will break the actual sprayer. The first step is to spray the product on the microfiber towel, which I did. The next step is to apply. So you want to apply it evenly throughout the surface. And one more tip is maybe just do it by sections also. Alright, next step is to wait 1 or 2 minutes before buffing it off with the clean microfiber towel. So my advice is while we're waiting, we're gonna start the different sections of the Jeep. Alright, 2 minutes up. So we're gonna use the clean microfiber towel, and we're gonna wipe the hood of the vehicle right now. Just basically buffing it off. Next step is we have to wait 4 hours to cure before exposure to the elements. So we're gonna wait 4 hours, maybe 4 hours for me, but for you guys, right away. Alright, time's up. If anything, I think my Jeep looks extra shiny. That's what I can observe. Let's see here. Yeah, so I applied it on this side minus the other side of the hood. Yep. If anything, I can see the left side, passenger side, it slides off really fast. On the driver side, you see there's more drops that stays. So, yep, I think it works. Oh. Yep. There you go. Side by side. Plenty of drops here. Over here is clear. Well, that's it for today's product review. Thank you guys for being here, and thank you to Shine Armor for sending this product, the Graphene Ceramic Spray. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. I put it in my Jeep. It looks extra shiny. I also put it on my E46 M3 over there, and it looks shiny as well. And these two vehicles is sitting out of the sun because I do have another toy over there, my garage screen. So definitely I will use this product every time I go to car meets to give it that extra shine. When I sprayed the water earlier with a water bottle, I noticed this side goes faster compared to the right side. So yeah, I think it's working. So if you want the discount code, again, it's 04LOW for 20% off. I will have those links in my description down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the trails.